What is black belt? For every 10,000 people that join a martial arts academy, half will drop out within the first 6 months. Of those remaining students, about 1,000 will complete 1 year of training and then quit. 500 will study for 2 years, but only 100 will see their third year anniversary. On the average, only 10 will make first degree black belt. Usually, only one or two will make it to second degree black belt. I shall go on to teach others what he she has learned for the martial arts is now a part of their life, and they shall go on to share this life with others. This person is a black belt. This person is 1 in 10,000. Are you the one? Are you the one?